Low lunge. Anjaneyasana. Start on all fours. Exhale. Step your right foot forward, between your hands. Lower your left knee to the floor. Inhale. Lift your chest away from the thigh. Arms up alongside your ears. Hold. Back to downward facing dog. Start. Hold. Relax. Switch sides. Hold time. Beginner. Hold 10 to 15 second. Repeated 3 to 4 minutes. Intermediate. Hold 25 to 30 second. Repeated 6 to 8 minutes. Proficient. Hold 45 second. Repeated 10 minutes or more.